How to log out of Discord from all devices. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to log out of Discord on all devices, the process is quite simple. So without any ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to your Discord application where you're logged in. Once that is done, open the app. Then head over to your profile. For this, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right. Then after, tap on Settings or Gear icon from the top right. Then after, tap on Account. And once that is done, tap on Password. Now you'll be asked to give in your current password and the new password. And once you have successfully given the new password, you'll be logged out of all the Discord devices that you were logged in with the previous password. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.